In the park in the dark with a pistol grip. Ain't a hipster, but I do shoot from the hips. These lips ain't never sunk no ships. Trapped in a paradox, call my block. Got my bitches licks on lock. Got a gun with a drum. Leave your homeboy wet and slump. Got the tech in the front, Mac in the trunk. Wait till you hear the beat drop. I'll wait till you hear the first shots pop off. Click, clack, pow. OMG, LOL, stick up the whole fucking crowd. Like take it off, lay it down, nobody move. Cause I'ma have to shoot one of you. Don't make it happen. Got nightmares of the heats clapping. A future promise in the streets trapping. Tell me this, do you miss the way I dream? I hear your voice, I hear you scream. Stuck in between. Oh shit, I'm stuck in between. Stuck in between. It's either I die or make something else rapping. Cause baby needs to eat and grandmama keeps asking when I'ma stop. Probably when my album drops and I sell out all the stores and tell the snake assholes don't want no more. Crucifix above my door. I don't fuck with you, homie, check the score. Never know, remorse. Popo at the door trying to kick it in. Another search warrant again. That's like the second time this week. I gotta plead with my demons in order to sleep. Mama's only son. Shit, I guess I should've thought about that before I picked up the gun. Should've thought about that before I decided to run the streets. Fuck, I'm in need of heat. Tell your dealer to contact me. Hit me up 323